This is Mark Brown with R Enterprises with a 5-minute drill on truck 1135. It's like new condition for less than 100 miles. The chassis is a 2022 Chevy G4500. It has 159-inch wheelbase. It's two-wheel drive, gasoline V8 engine. Overall length is 282 inches. Overall height is 108 inches. Headroom is 72 inches. It's a P&L custom. It has new paint, new rotary latch, new pad latches. All doors have new gaskets, new Willen sirens and speakers, all new Willen LED lights. It has a moose bumper, a 3,000 watt trip light converter and charger, and a new Pro Air HVAC system. The body configuration is front left compartment, rear left compartment, rear entry doors with a 33-inch load height, it has a LSA seat with action areas in the rear and in the front. Tinted seat. Has a walk-through door. Has a new console and control panel. PDQ. ALS compartment with in and out cabinets. Glove compartments. Has a new step bumper with flip up step. Right rear compartment. Curbside door. Right front compartment. If you have any need for further information and have questions, please call 1-833-ReMount, or you can visit www.renterprisesllc.com. Thank you.